Hi, it's Doctorjock here with Toothless, and today I'm going to do an unboxing of the Toothless and Hiccup Armoured Dragon. So there's the front, and the side, and the back. Other side. Top of the box and the bottom, and I'll be back once I've got him out of the box. So here is everything out of the box. As you can see, we've got the armour here with the blast projectile, and we've got Hiccup, and then we have Toothless. And when you tilt him, he makes noises, and then there is a button you can press, but I'll press that once I've assembled the armour. So I'll be back once I've put the armour onto Toothless. So this is what Toothless looks like with the armour on. I did struggle trying to get these into the holes, some holes here, and it seems the pegs are slightly bigger, so you may have to sand those down. But everything else fit okay. So yeah, that's what Toothless looks like with the armour on, and if we go on to Hiccup, this is how he comes in the box. But you can take the flying suit off, and his helmet does come off. So he's got articulation in his head, his arms, his knees, and his hips. So I'll be back once I've put Hiccup onto Toothless. So here's Hiccup on Toothless, and together they have three features. One of them is if you lift it up and tilt him, he'll make noises. Another one is if you press this button,
Dragonfly 2, go!
Is that you'll hear Hiccup's voice.
Come on, Toothless. I'm flying! Woohoo! Toothless, separate! Come on, Toothless.
And another is the projectile. So, just like all the other projectiles, you just open his mouth, click that in, and then to get him to fire, you just pull back on his head. So yeah, that was my unboxing of the armoured Toothless Dragon. And next I'm going to show you this mini dragon. So yeah, there's the front of the box, and the side of the box, the back of the box, the other side of the box, for those interested, the bottom of the box. And I'll be back once I've got him out of the box. So here he is out of the box. So yeah, that was my unboxing of the smiling mini Toothless. Thanks for watching. Bye!